Hi viewers. Welcome to Tech Info TI. Today we are going to make this wallpaper. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open your browser. Search as Mockup in Google search. Click the first link. Now select any mockup file from here and download. I'm doing this neon wallpaper. Now extract the zip file. Open Adobe Photoshop. Create a paper. Import your logo. Now adjust the logo. Now give your custom name here. I'm using black past font for my wallpaper. Group these two layers. Now open the mockup file downloaded. Double click here. Click No. Select the Select tool. And select all the area and move to this Text tab. Now adjust the image. And now hide this text. Now close this tab and click Yes to merge that image with the mockup file. Now hide the sample text by clicking the I button so that the sample text disappears. Now your custom logo is ready. Thanks for watching.